Warm welcome you all to channel Meet MIT, that is Math is Tricky. In this video I'm going to share some tips and tricks about even or odd function which will be useful for curve sketching. Okay, here we are given here some problems from which we have to find or determine whether which one is even or which one is odd or which one is neither. Okay, so before solving the first problem, let's see what is even function. Okay, even function. Even function means a function from a function f from a to b is said to be even if f of minus x equals f of x for all x belongs to a, or the domain. It means here, example, let's take here example. Even function means, let's say take fx equals cos x. So we know that f minus x equals how much? Cos minus x, that equals cos x equals f of x. So f is even in this case. Let's take another example. Suppose here f of x is x power 4. So what will be there? F of minus x means x minus x power 4, which equals x power 4, which is again f of x. So we can write it. So f is even function. Even function. Hope you understood this. It means here for even function we will have, always note down, this is the main point, f of minus x must be equal to f of x. Okay, f of minus x equals f of x for all x, then it is even function. Okay, so for odd function is said to be for odd function. Let's see here. For odd function, what is the definition? How do you know that the function is odd function or not? A function is said to be odd. It will be simply odd if f of minus x equals minus f of x for all x belongs to a. Example, let's see here. F of x equals sin x. So if we find the value of f of minus x, so it will be simply sin minus x, and by formula of trigonometry we know it is here simply minus sin x, which is minus f of x. So we can say the function fx is odd function. Okay, are you getting? Let me take one more example and explain it. Instead of, suppose the function is defined in this way. Suppose the function is here, it is minus, suppose function is x cube. So what is there? Minus x cube, and we know that here minus x cube. So minus x whole cube is minus x cube, and minus x cube is fx. So in this case also the function will be, the function f is odd function. Okay, and if function is not even function, if function is not odd function, the function will be neither. We can write that in case some functions may be neither even nor odd. Okay, so for odd function, what is the condition? Remember that f of minus x equals minus times f of x. This is the condition. Now we can solve the problem. Okay, let's see how we are solving the problem. It's very simple and it is very important for curve sketching. Okay, so first function is given here, f of x equals x sin x plus cos x. So what will be the value of f of minus x? So we'll simply replace x by minus x. So minus x sin minus x plus cos minus x. And now it is simply minus x, sin minus x is minus sin x Cos minus x is cos x. So it will be here minus minus plus x sin x plus cos x. It is simply f of x. Thus we have f of minus x equals f of x for all x. So f is even function. It is here for all x. Fx. Okay, this is our condition. A solve now be 5x square plus sin x. Now f of minus x will be 5 times minus x whole square plus sin minus x, which gives here 5x square minus sin x, which is not equal to f of x, also minus f of x equals minus 5x square plus sin x and equals minus 5x square minus 5 and then sin x. It means here minus f of x is also not equal to f of minus x. It means here minus f of minus x is not equals to f of minus x is not equals to fx. So it is not even, and f of minus x, you can see here f of minus x 5x squared, and this minus f of x is not equal to minus f of x is not equals to f of minus x. So it is not odd. Therefore we can say, therefore it is neither even nor odd. Okay, because here f of minus, to be even, it should be f of minus x must be equal to f of x, but this condition is not satisfied, so it is not even function. F of, if we find the value of f of minus x, we have this, it is here f of minus x. So f of minus x is this one, minus f of x is minus 5x square and minus sin x. This is not equal to f of minus x. So we can say that the function is neither even nor odd. Let's see another question. So just you need to remember the definition to know whether the function is even or odd. See here, number C, let f of x equals square root of 1 plus x square minus square root of 1 minus x square. Then let's find here f of minus x. So much will get here square root of 1 plus minus x whole square minus 1 minus minus x whole square. So it's simply square root of 1 plus x square minus square root of 1 minus x square. That is, thus we can say that f of minus x is 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square minus root s 1 minus x square, same as f of x. So for all x, so it is even function. Okay, let's see number D. Number D. Number D is here. Let fx equals square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x. I can find f of minus x. So it will be square root of 1 plus minus x minus 1 minus minus x. So it gives how much? It is here 1 minus x minus 1 plus x, and if we take here minus common, we'll get 1 plus x minus square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x, and which is, see here, 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x square root of 1, which is f of x. We can say here f of minus x is equal to minus f of x for all x, so it is odd function. Okay, let's see number E. See number E. Let f of x equals 10 to the power x minus 10 to the power minus x. Then what will be the value of f of minus x? 10 to the power minus x minus 10 to the power minus x. So it will give here 10 to the power minus x minus 10 to the power x. If we take minus common, we'll get here 10 power x minus 10 to the power minus x. Look here, minus 10 to the power x minus 10 to the power minus x minus x. So it is here f of x. Thus what we can say here, we have f of minus x equals minus f of x for all x. So it is odd function. Remember, to be even function, f of minus x must be f of x. To be odd function, f of minus x must be minus f of x. Let's move to question number f. Let here f of x equals e to the power x minus e power minus x whole divided e power x plus e power minus x. Again, let's find, then we can find f of minus x will be simply a e power minus x minus e power minus x whole divided e power minus x plus e power minus x. That's it. So it will be simply e to the power minus x minus e power x and then e power minus x plus e power x. So if we take here minus common from numerator, we'll get here e power x minus e power minus x whole divided e power x. Just arrange the denominator so that we will get here f of minus x. F of minus x we can write here. Thus f of minus x equals minus, look here, e power minus x minus e power minus x e power x plus e power minus x, which is same as fx. So for all x, so we can write here, so the given function is f of minus x minus x, so it is odd function. Now question number, after f, let's move to G. Question number G. Question number G. Let here f of x equals 3x square plus cos x plus 1. Then what will be the value of minus f of minus x? It is here 3 times minus x whole square cos minus x plus 1. This is same as 3x square plus cos x plus 1, because here reason if you want, and the cos of minus x is cos x. Okay, so it is same as fx. Look here, 3x square cos x 1 and 1. So f of minus x gives same as f of x for all x. So the given function is even function. Hope you are getting this, and if you have any confusion, please share with me. I'm always there to help you all. Thank you so much. God bless you. Let f of x equals log square root of x square plus 1 plus x. Then let's find the value of f of minus x, which is simply log square root of minus x whole square plus 1 plus minus x, which gives log square root of x square plus 1 minus x, isn't it? Now, so let's rationalize this so that we'll get here x square plus 1 minus x times x square plus 1 plus x by x square plus 1 plus x. So that we'll have x a square minus b square formula we can use here, so it will be x square plus 1 minus x square by square root of x square plus 1 plus x, isn't it? And it gives here simply log x square plus 1 square root plus x whole power minus 1, and it gives here, it is same as minus log x square plus 1 plus x, which is, I've just used formula here, log x power minus m equals minus m log x. This is the formula I've used here, so one property of log, so it will be minus log, so log x square plus 1 plus x is simply fx. So what we are getting here in this case, we can write it as f of minus x equals minus f of x for all x, so it is odd function. Okay, it is a little bit different, so I solved it for you. Let's move to question number I. Okay, so question number I is here. My dear students, just remember the definition of even and odd function, and then always find f of minus x, and then we'll have the answer. Let's see another question. Question number I. Let f of x is defined as x by e power x plus 1 minus x by 2. So always find the value of f of minus x. It is here minus x whole divide e power minus x plus 1 minus x by 2, isn't it? So we are getting here minus x by e power minus x plus 1 and then plus x by 2. So to solve this, let's write like this: x minus x by 1 by e power x plus 1, and here x and minus x by 2. So just writing for this x by 2. X by 2 can be written as, if you take here LCM, 2x minus x means x by 2 same. So if we take LCM here, so it will be this e power x will come in numerator, so minus x e power x by 1 plus e power x. So just write here like this, plus x and minus x by 2 at last. So if we take LCM, let's see how much we get here. So I'm taking LCM for first two, so that it will be minus x e power x plus x e power x by 1 plus e power x minus x by 2. Just taking this one. So how much we get here? X, this first and last term cancel, so x by e power x plus 1 minus x by 2. And now, which is same as, look here, we are getting here f of minus x as f of x. Look here, x by e power x plus 1 minus for all x. So it is even function. So my dear students, to examine whether the given function is even or odd, always you suppose steps here. So steps, it's very simple. So let fx be the given function, then find number, step 2, then find f of minus x, then conclude if f of minus x equals f of x, the function will be even if f of minus x equals minus f of x, the function will be odd. If none, it will be neither even nor odd. Hope you understood this, and if you have any confusion, you can share with me. Thank you so much. God bless you. Here we are given f of x equals cos x plus 3 minus c times x plus x square. We are given that we have fx is even function, isn't it? So we can write here f of minus x equals what? F of x by definition, or f of minus x will be simply cos, replace x by minus x, plus 3 minus c, x will be minus x plus minus x whole square equals cos x plus 3 minus c x plus x square, isn't it? So now let's simplify. Cos of minus x is cos x plus 3 minus x, so it will be simply here minus x plus x square equals cos x plus 3 minus c x plus x square cancel, cos cancel, so we have now, it is simply minus x times 3 minus c equals 3 minus c equals x. So we can cut here x and x, so that we can write here minus 3 plus c equals 3 minus c, so it will be here 2c equals 6, therefore c equals 3. This is our answer. Okay, so hope you understood what actually I did here. To solve this problem, I have used the definition of even function. Even function means f of minus x equals f of x, and then I simplified to get the answer. Let's move to question number 3. Number 3 is here. So here we are given fx equals x cube plus a plus 2 x square plus x is an odd function. So how can we solve this? So we can write f of minus x must be minus times f of x, isn't it? This is our definition. So let's use this and get the answer. So f of minus x means minus x whole cube plus a plus 2 times minus x whole square plus minus x and minus times x cube plus a plus 2 x square plus x, isn't it? So by simplification what we get here, minus x cube means minus x cube, and here plus a plus 2 x square minus x whole square is here, minus x equals minus x cube minus a plus 2 x square minus x, isn't it? Minus x cancel, minus x cube cancel, and then what we are getting here, a plus 2 times x square equals minus a plus 2 x square cancel. So we have now a plus 2 equals minus a minus 2. It gives a plus a 2a equals 2 plus here 2 minus 2 minus 2, or we can write here 2a equals minus 4, therefore a equals 2. Here it is minus 2. This is what we have to prove, a equals minus 2. This is our answer. My dear students, hope you understood this, and if you have any confusion about mathematics, not only about this, whatever I am sharing, so you can ask me, you can share with me, so that I can help you. I am uploading many more videos for you, and we are now is here, let fx equals x power minus 3 plus x power minus 1, which can be written as here x by 1 by x cube plus 1 by x. And now we'll find the value of f of minus x, which is 1 by minus x cube plus 1 by minus x, which is 1 by minus x cube minus 1 by x. And if we take here minus common, so it will be 1 by x cube plus 1 by x, and which is here same as fx, so minus f of x. Thus we have f of minus x equals minus f of x. So the function is, so it is odd function. Now let's move to question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. X cube minus x. So it is, then find f of minus x whole cube minus x, which gives here minus x cube plus x, f of minus x. And if we take here minus common, minus, it will be x cube minus x. It means here f of minus x equals here minus x cube minus x, same as fx, so we can write here fx. Thus we have f of minus x equals f of x, so it is again odd function. The function, given function is odd function. What actually I did here, I kept value of x as minus x, so minus x cube and minus plus x, and if we take here minus common, so we'll get here x cube minus x. So this is our answer. Let's move to question number 6. Hope you are understanding this. So it's not difficult one. If you try by yourself, then you can do by yourself also. So it's not difficult one. Just I'm doing some questions for you. Question number 6. So it is given here as 2 power x minus 2 to the power minus x. Then find f of minus x. It is 2 power minus x minus 2 power minus x. So how much we get here? 2 power minus x minus 2 to the power plus x. So if we take here minus common, so this will be 2 power x will be plus, and this will be minus 2 power minus x. And minus 2 power x is fx. Again we have here f of minus x equals minus f of x, so it is, the function, given function is odd function. Okay, so 6 number solved. Question number 7. Let's move to question number 7. Question number 7 is here. Number 7 is, let here fx equals 2x square plus sine square x plus 1. Then find the value of f of minus x. 2 minus x whole square plus sine minus x square x plus 1, and it will be here simply 2x square. Sine minus x is minus sine x whole square plus 1. So that will get here 2x square plus sine square x plus 1. And see here 2x square sine square x plus 1, which is fx. Thus we have f of minus x. F of minus x equals f of x. So it is even function. Even function. Let's see question number 8. Question number 8 is here. Let here fx equals x cube plus cos x plus 1. Then find f of minus x, which will be minus x whole cube plus cos minus x plus 1, and it gives here minus x cube plus cos x plus 1, because cos of minus x is cos x. So this is our minus f of minus x, and if we take here common, which is not equals to fx also, so it is not even. Also find f of minus x, also find minus f of x, also find minus f of x. So it will be simply minus x cube plus cos x plus 1, which gives here minus x cube minus cos x and minus 1, and this minus f of x is not equal to, we can check here, see this value f of minus x. So here it is minus x cube plus, so it is not odd, and hence we can write here, hence it is neither even nor odd. Let we are getting x equals x square plus cos x plus 5. Then f of minus x equals how much? Minus x whole square plus cos minus x plus 5, which gives here x square plus cos x plus 5, and which is same as fx. Thus we have f of minus x equals fx, so it is even. Question number 10. Number 10 is here. So let fx equals x square minus 4x plus 7. Then find f of minus x whole square minus 4 minus x plus 7, which gives here x square plus 4x plus 7. F of minus x is this, which is not equals to fx. Also minus f of x is how much? Let's see here, minus x square plus 4x minus 7, not equal to f of minus x. So what we can say, it is neither even nor odd. Okay, so from this result we can write it, from this we can say that so it is neither, so it is not even. Also from this result we can say it is not odd, hence it is neither even nor odd. Okay, hope you are getting this. Just you remember the steps that I shared with you, and then remember the definition. So, and then if you solve carefully, if you simplify carefully, you will get the answer. Question number 11. Let here fx equals 5x power 4 plus 4x square plus 7. So then f of minus x will be how much? F of x will be simply f of minus x will be 5x power 4 plus 4x power 2 plus 7, which is same as f of x. Since powers are even, so we can write here it is even function easily as f of minus x equals f of x. Okay, let's see question number 12. Number 12 is here. Number 12. Let here fx is x square plus 2. Then find f of minus x. How much we get here? Minus x whole square plus 2, which is x square plus 2, which is fx. So it is even. Let's see question number 13. It will just take a second if you simplify, if you understand, and if you do properly, it will just take a second. Okay, so by looking also we can say here the powers are, all the powers are here even, so it is even function. Number 30. Let fx equals 3x cubed plus 5x, and by looking also we can say it is odd function because each term contains odd power of x. Then by process we will get like this: f of minus x equals minus 3x cubed minus 5x, and if we take here minus common, so it will be 3x cubed plus 5x, that is f of minus x equals, it is simply minus f of x. So it is odd. And so the last one, let's move to last one, question number 14. So by looking also some questions, for some questions we can have answer whether it is even or odd. So question number 14 is here: let fx equals x by x square plus 1. Then find f of minus x. So it will be minus x by minus x whole square plus 1, and it gives minus x by x square plus 1, which can be written as minus x by x square plus 1. That means which is same as fx minus f of x. Thus we have f of minus x equals minus f of x. So the given function is f of minus x equals minus f of x, so given function is odd function. Okay, my dear students, hope you understood this. And
thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please do share this video with your friends, in your circle, in your social media, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.